The SEALIGHT 970PSI Cordless Power Washer offers impressive power with a maximum pressure of 970 pounds per square inch, making it effective for a wide range of cleaning tasks. Its portable design, combined with a rechargeable 3,000 milliampere hour battery, ensures up to 60 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning time, perfect for tackling large jobs without needing a power outlet. Equipped with a versatile 6-in-1 adjustable nozzle and a foam sprayer, this pressure washer can easily adapt to different cleaning scenarios, from gentle rinsing to removing stubborn dirt. The washer's lightweight and easy assembly make it user-friendly, and it includes a 16-foot hose with a filter to ensure clean water use even from natural sources. This power washer is particularly suitable for outdoor activities like camping or long trips, as it can draw water from various sources, including rivers or lakes, using its storage box as a temporary tank. The SEALIGHT pressure washer is also a thoughtful gift idea for special occasions, providing practicality and efficiency for car washing and household cleaning tasks.